Yo, what's good people? It's Raheem Bogle back again with another video. Now in this video, I'm going to show you what exercises you need to be doing that will help you achieve your first ring pull-up. But before we get into that, please make sure you like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you watch till the end because I'm going to show you one progression exercise that you can do once you've mastered the ring pull-ups. So with that being said, let's get into the workout, guys. Now the first exercise is ring rows or Australian pull-ups. This exercise is important for developing the strength to pull your own body weight vertically. Now, it's important to retract your shoulders and pull with your back and not your arms. So just think of your arms as just hooks. Now, body weight rows will work all the muscles in your back, including your biceps, since it's a compound exercise. Now, to make this harder, all you have to do is just change your leverage by walking down lower towards the ground. And to make it easier, all you have to do is walk back up more vertically. So the lower you are, the harder it is. The more vertical and up you are, the easier it is. Now you can do this exercise with different grips. So you can do a neutral grip, a pronated grip, or a supinated grip. So do whatever one is comfortable for you. Now the second exercise is assisted pull-ups. Now this exercise is a regressed version of the pull-up since you'll be using your feet to assist you. So for this movement, you'll be pulling yourself up more vertically with your back and your biceps while your feet stay on the ground. Now to make this exercise harder, you can use one leg at a time or elevate both feet on a box or a bench. So this is very good for developing that upper body strength again and mimicking the full version of the pull-up. Now once you master those two exercises, you can also include, banded pull-ups and negative pull-ups where you focus on the top part of the pull-up. But for this workout, I just want to do more pull exercises since pull-up is a pulling exercise. So once you master that, you'll be then have the strength to do full pull-ups on the rings or even on the bars as well. So again, it's simple, just like the regular assisted pull-ups that I showed you earlier. Just retract your shoulders and you're pulling yourself up and down. And it's going to work your back, your biceps and your core as well. Now as promised, here's one progression that you can do after the pull-ups, and that's the LSIT pull-up. Now I did show this in my rings pull-up variation video, so go check that out guys. Now for this exercise, you're going to raise your legs into an L position and then pull yourself up like a pull-up. So it's going to work your quads, your core, your back and your biceps. So this is a great progression to do without having to add any weight. So there you have it guys, those are the exercises that you need to be doing that will help you achieve your first ring pull-up. Add those into your routine and comment down below your experience and let me know what other videos you like me to do. Please like, comment and subscribe and I'll see you in the next one guys. I'm out.